we never want to say that something is easy to install because we don't know what people's abilities are. But at Purahome, for example, all our drinking systems come complete with a kit. And if you call us and you have a special scenario, like you want to install a drinking system in a basement, we need 20 feet of extra line, we do that for you at no extra charge. We also have very detailed instructions on how to do things. What's nice about our AquaSpace systems are that they are much simpler to install and maintain than a reverse osmosis system. With a reverse osmosis system, you need a storage tank. You need to connect to a drain. You got to have an air gap. With our AquaSpace systems, it's an in and an out, no other source of potential contamination like that RO storage tank, and it goes right to your faucet. If you have a granite countertop, you're going to need, or a quartz countertop, you're going to need a special drill bit. At that point, we recommend that you don't do that because you can crack your countertop. At Purahome, our installers are all comfortable doing that. We have the proper drill bits. These are things that you look for to install a drinking system. Changing the filters, the majority of customers that we have, for example, change their own water filters. What we have learned, and it's very neat to compare to other companies that we know, they do quite a bit of service work because typically they sell these RO systems that are harder to maintain, and their focus is to make money on service. Here at Purahome, the majority of our systems, whether air cleaners or water, you typically can maintain them yourselves. They are easier to maintain. So the majority of work we do at Purahome is just giving you the filters, and yeah, you can typically do it yourself. We also have how-to videos on our YouTube page that show you how to change water filters as well.